So straight, right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
No. Be careful, yeah? What an absolute idiot. That is terrible. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
And he smashed into us there. That would have been a hit if I didn't slip. Or if you didn't brake. Shocking.
See, I even looked in the mirror to see if there was anyone coming, and there was.
See ya. You can't. No. No.
We're still trying to determine the actual position from the first informant. You give us rather confusing references here, but we'll clarify that and get back to you. Yeah, he's reported to be on a blue paddleboard.
Aye, well, there's a street doing that way. Aye, it's a one-way system. No my problem.
Everything Coast Guard, Fisher Row mobile, over.
Well, I hear what you're saying, and I think that we need to take a bird's eye view and look at the systemic problem that really is facing the educational system.
And the systemic problem is the educational system does not cope well with children.
See, that makes more money. Carry on slowly. See, look at it, oh fuck. Oh my god. Terrible.
He's in the wrong.
Unbelievable. Look. Idiot. Oh my god. Man, I've got it on camera. I'll put that on Facebook for sure. Diet Coke, something like that. Just gave it to me, boom. Didn't even check to see if I had
like the information match.
Anything, yeah. I don't know, this person's fucking throwing shit at our fucking car.
Just leave it alone. Just stay away from it.